Right now, somewhere on Earth, a delivery drone touches down every 20 seconds, and that clock is only getting faster. The company behind a lot of it is Zipline, and today it announced a massive push to go nationwide across America. New cities, new partners, and a leadership team poached straight from Tesla, Waymo, and Uber. Here's the flex. In just the first half of this year, businesses offering Zipline delivery grew 13 times over. They've now done over 2.5 million deliveries, 1 million of those in the last year alone. Zipline says it runs more flights per day than major US airlines. Let that sink in. Next up is Austin, where food and retail can land in your yard in about 5 minutes. Plus Cleveland, teaming with the Cleveland Clinic to fly medicine straight to patients' homes. And the tech is genuinely wild. The drone cruises up high, then lowers a little robot on a tether. It steers itself down and sets your package on the lawn with dinner plate accuracy, quiet even in the rain. So why hire the finance, legal, and operations bosses from Tesla, Waymo, and Uber? Because those are the exact people who dragged self-driving cars and ride-hailing into everyday habit. Zipline wants your Chipotle order, your Walmart run, your prescription, arriving by air, cheaper than a car in traffic. Watch your local skies. This rolls out all year. Subscribe so you're not the last to look up. I'm the Tech Bard, keeping the receipts. This video is AI generated with human guidance and quality control. If something's off, tell us in the comments.